Hello guys, I'm James from Homeseller. Today I'm in this HDB 3-room flat. Okay, it is located at block 610 Ang Mo Kio Avenue 4. So let me show you this place. Okay, so this 3-room flat, right, is basically NG model, which stands for new generation. So you have 2 bathroom and then 2 proper bedroom lah. Okay, so you can see that the entire condition is in its original state. So this house, right, has served the owner very well. They have 2 kids already grown up to adults. Okay, then have their own space already lah. All right. So you can actually do up this entire house to your own design, to your own liking now. Okay, so this house has went through a little bit of the renovation in this kitchen portion and also the main door and main gate as well. Okay, so you still can do everything to your own liking and own design. Okay, behind view is quite not bad. Okay, lots of greeneries, all these things lah. So in this part of the Ang Mo Kio is actually very convenient, and the good thing about this area is that it's very quiet and serene, and there is a bus stop just right at the front which can bring you to the nearest MRT station. So the good thing about this location is that just right across the road you have all the shops that you need to buy your daily necessity, including food center, wet market, and many others. These are neighborhood supermarket. Alright, and you also have future amenities at the Lentor area. So it's quite a nice place, nice and cozy, quiet, plus future amenities okay, and also recreation area. So it's a nice place. So over here in Homeseller, we help HDB homeowner to sell your house for 1999, condo for 4999, and landed for 9999. Do share and like, and also check out our Google review and follow us for more interesting content. Alright guys, bye bye.